If you are at 30 years old and above, have a minimum salary, and already satisfied and happy about it, that's the scariest part of our life, especially if you're planning to have a family or already have a family. Life moves forward pretty fast and we didn't even realize that 5 years already passed or we are already 50 years old and nothing happens to our life. Cost of living are getting expensive. Commodities are getting higher and higher without our control and your family's needs are getting bigger and more. We need to change our financial status. Try to think of other opportunities that will improve our income. And that's what I'm offering you right now. The opportunity for a better life. A plan B that will give you legacy for your generation. Come and think about it. Message me when you're ready or visit my website at www.carolleal.ca.